Hi boys and girls, so today I wanted to read you guys a story. It's called Fry Bread. November is actually Native American Heritage Month, so I actually put up some dream catchers that I have here in my classroom, and I put up one that I made last year with my class. I try to make them every year, so hopefully I can get the supplies out so you guys can try to make one at home. So today I'm going to read you a story called Fry Bread. It's a Native American family story, okay, and it's won a few awards here, so that's what these little stickers are for. It's written by Kevin Noble Maillard and illustrated by Juana Martinez Neal. And if you've never had fry bread before, it's really good. You can have it sweet or you can have it savory, whichever way you like it. So fry bread, a Native American family story. Alright, fry bread is food. Flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, maybe sugar, all mixed together in a big bowl. Fry bread is shape. Hands molded dough, flat like a pancake, round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow. Fry bread is sound. The skillet clangs on the stove, the fire blazes from below. Drop the dough in the skillet, the bubbles sizzle and pop. Fry bread is color. Golden brown, tan, or yellow, deep like coffee, sienna, or earth, light like snow and cream, and warm like rays of sun. Fry bread is flavor. See beans or soup, smell tacos, cheese, and vegetables, delight in honey and jam, rise to discover what brings us together. Fry bread is time. On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festivals, moments together with family and friends. Fry bread is art, sculpture, landscape, portrait, our daily craft, shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune. Fry bread is history, the long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes from what we had. Fry bread is place. Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine, down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California. That's where we live. Cities and lands we call home. Fry bread is nation. Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho, Ojibwe, Onondaga, Oglala Sioux, Narragansett, Navajo, Nipmuc, Seminole, Shoshone, Sac, and Fox. Hundreds and hundreds of tribes. My tribe is Pasquayaki from Arizona. So there's lots of tribes, and some of them are hard to say. Fry bread is everything. Round, flat, large, small. North, south, east, west. Brown, yellow, black, white. Familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together. Fry bread is us. We are still here, elder and young, friend and neighbor. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive. Fry bread is you. So here's a recipe on how to make fry bread. So if you ever want to try it, it says 1 pint of boiling water, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1½ cups of cold water, a ½ ounce of dry or instant yeast, approximately 2 packages. So 1 cup of raw sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 3 1/2 cups of flour, and 32 ounces of unrefined coconut oil. So then it has the recipe on how to make it if you want to try to make it at home. And then here's an author's note about fry bread. So I won't read that. It's very long. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the story. And if you ever get a chance to try fry bread, you should try it. I love it sweet and I love it savory. I like it with honey or just powdered sugar. Or sometimes I have the taco where they put the taco meat and cheese and lettuce and tomato and salsa, and it's really good. Alright, boys and girls, I'll see you soon.